Welcome to the Mobile Game Art Design course, where you will learn how to design and create mobile game art for your own mobile games from scratch. My name is Benjo and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career as a freelance graphic designer, but soon transitioned to technology, where I founded my own web and mobile design studio, where we help clients and companies design their own apps and websites. Currently, I'm co-founder of a mobile app startup in the Philippines, where I specialize in user interface and user experience design. I designed this course for anyone seeking to learn how to design mobile game art for mobile games. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build a solid foundation on the basic skills needed to become a mobile game art designer. In this course, we'll go over the basic game mechanics and visual components of mobile games. We'll also learn how to choose the right target audience and ultimately earn money by selling our mobile games in mobile game marketplaces. My teaching style is learning by doing, so we'll dive right in and design game art by recreating a Flappy Bird clone using Adobe Photoshop without any experience needed at all. The ideal student for this course are aspiring game designers and developers, graphic designers, mobile app designers, or anyone who wants to learn how to become a mobile game artist. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask you to come open-minded and be ready to learn. Feel free to take a look at the course description. I look forward to seeing you inside. So what are you waiting for? Click the big blue button to take this course on the top right to enroll now.